This is a 2012 Honda Odyssey minivan, silver over gray leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, CD player, heated seats, electronic climate control, power moonroof. There's a look at the second row seats, rear entertainment as well, dual power sliding doors, aluminum wheels, backup camera, there's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got lots of power. Like all pre-owned vehicles at Mercedes-Benz of Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.